Alrighty team, this video is the workflow doc content marketing training. This lists all of the upcoming written content by our content writer. In this doc, you can view upcoming content when it's due and additional information about these jobs. So usually content is broken out into two types. One is content for blogs, in which we post internally. Usually the project manager does that. Or number two, content for websites, meaning we're writing content for service pages or specific pages and sites that we're building out. So in the main content marketing workflow doc, the general one, you'll have all the clients that we have written content for. Now, if you click and open that document, in the top left corner, you'll see click here for content folder. In that folder is where all of the content is housed. So the content creator or the copywriter or the content writer adds the content here, and the rest of the team delegates it to where it needs to go. So in this example, we have 88 claims. This is a website we're building out. We have in the first tab draft due, when that due date is, when the go live date is, and if it's been completed by the writer. So Raul, our writer, will go in here and let you know when it's been updated. When it's updated, you can find it in the blog content folder based on the month. Now, if you go back to this doc, has it been posted? We'll either say yes or no. The project manager will most likely fill out this section. And the information, the tabs in blue are usually for the writer. So the topic, the keywords, the author, and the outline will usually be pre-filled out by myself or another team member. The PM notes, this is a drop down. So it'll have these different drop downs if it's been sent to John for approval. So if it's live and completed, then it should be sent to me to approve. Has it been sent to the client for approval, or it needs to be posted by the project manager? So if it's a blog like Black Wallet or Kitty Credit, we will most likely post that internally. So that needs to be posted by the PM, then needs to be sent to developer. If it's a web design project, the content needs to be sent to the developer. Posted by PM means that the project is done and has been posted by the PM. And then this is added to site by developer. So in this case, I'm just going to highlight this. And I'm going to make sure all of these are the same because this has been added to the site by the developer. And then you just post the link on the page that content is located. So this is similar to all the other tabs. If you go here, we have go live date, we have completed by writer, has it been posted? So you can see a lot of this content is kind of lagging behind. So we want to make sure we get these updated. And this is content that we will be posting internally. So this will needs to be posted by PM, right, for these. And then if I go to Black Wallet, we post on this one as well. So let's go ahead and see what the status is on these. Let's fix this because I see this quick error. So this one, 15 reasons. So this one's already been posted. So I'm going to go here and I'm actually going to go to notes, posted by PM. And then I'm going to find that article, which should be here at the top. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yep, there it is. All right, so I'm gonna click that link and I'm going to add it to my workflow doc here. And then of course, these items are due, so we should get these up as soon as we can. I'm gonna change the go live date on this one to, let's do the 13th, and let's change this one to the 27th. That way it gives us some time. And then you can see that these have been completed by the writer, but this has not. So as the project manager, you might correspond with the writer on staff just to see when the timeline on that is completed, because we want to have this done by, say, the 17th. This one is already done, so that's good. Now we're going to go to Kitty Credit here, and then I'm going to look here. You can see that this one, we're going to make this one a go live date of the 14th. Has it been posted? This has actually not been posted, but it is done. So all three of these articles are done, but these two have not been posted. And as you can see here, so this we're going to put here needs to be posted by PM, needs to be posted by PM, and then the live link will go here. And then lastly, we have 1000 museum. These are this is content for a website. So this content is all done. So we just sent it to the client for approval, and now we're just awaiting response. Now with Invisio, all this content is done as well. So let me get rid of this red highlight so everything is consistent. Okay, and then I'm going to go all the way here, and I'm going to go to add it to site by developer, and then we'll add that link in a little bit later. So that's kind of the recap of the content marketing workflow doc. There is a second doc for Asha Remedies, but that tab is identical to the one here. So what I would ask you to do is whatever's reflected in this Asha Remedies tab should be the same as this tab. Okay? And so to recap everything, for the writer, please view the content marketing for workflow doc weekly, just to make sure that content is getting created on time. And then please make sure that content is going here in this doc. Then notify the project manager when content is completed. Make sure to go to Slack, go to content marketing, and make sure to tag our project manager and let her know. Paulina, please check out workflow doc, right? And then the writer's job is pretty much complete. And then the project manager goes in daily, logs into the doc, reviews upcoming content, checks in with the writer on the status of that content. Once that content's uploaded, we either make it live on the site or send that content to the developer to add to a website. This can be added in Asana. So I'm gonna put this can be added to a job in Asana, and then update the live link here to reflect that update, and then you are good to go.